Hi, Bub. How you doing? Yep. Alright, folks. I got a little project here. I don't know if this will be even remotely interesting to anybody. This is a Dixon riding lawnmower. I think it's actually a Husqvarna, but they painted it blue and called it a Dixon. Anyway, the reason it's here is that when you turn the steering wheel to just the right spot, it makes a horrible grinding sound and shoots sparks out from underneath of the engine. Now, underneath the engine is the main pulley that runs the mower deck, and these are the steering links right here, and they're just flapping in the breeze. And what happens is when you get to just the right spot, I don't know where it is, right about there, they hit the pulley. You can see the top of the thing's already kind of chewed up a little bit, and the inside of the links are also chewed up. So we need to fix it. I think the last time we figured out this machine was made by AYP, American Yard Products, and these drag links are available, but to buy the pair of them's right around $100. And yeah, I don't think this machine's worth $100, to be honest about it. So we're gonna find another way. Here's what I'm thinking. I got some flat bar here. I'm thinking we just come in here like so, and we find a happy spot. I suppose you guys can't see that. Find a happy spot where we can just kind of hold these drag links up, and if the drag links rub against this bar, that's a whole lot better than the drag links rubbing against that pulley spinning 3,000 RPM or whatever it does. So that's the plan anyway. I think we're gonna pick this thing up and work on it at a little more comfortable height and go from there. Much better. Sorry guys, it'd be kind of hard to see. The sun's messing up the exposure here, but I don't really understand how this was ever supposed to work. Boy, it's so close. Especially when the axle's all the way, you know, articulated down. I'm thinking maybe we come in here off this little bracket that holds the belt. Attach something there. We don't really need support for this drag link until it gets pretty close to that bracket. So what I'm thinking is maybe we just weld a little leg on here, like this, on either side, that would just pop that drag link up. You've got to leave room to get the belt out, so you can change that, but I think we can just kind of come in here with something like that. That thing's pretty strong. Be worth a shot anyway. Let's try it. I've been down this road before. I'm putting gloves on. That's not too bad. Not too bad, especially on this side. The other side's a little tighter. Yeah, that may be an issue. So I'm going to have to bend that bracket down just a hair because it won't let the axle articulate all the way. Oh yeah, looking good. That's the trouble spot right about there. Yep, we got clearance. Keep going. Okay, so it's got the same problem as the other side, but not quite as bad. So I think I'm gonna have to bend these down just a hair, but I think the concept is good. Got that welded. We should be able to just clamp this in the vise and give her a little tap. Careful. That should do it. There we go. I suppose we ought to paint those. Yeah, we'll try it. I think it's well below the minimum temperature for this that you're supposed to have for this paint. Come on. Since it won't even spray, it looks nice and sunny on the camera, but it's actually only about 40 degrees today. I think that's, what, about 5 degrees Celsius? Something like that. I've got a feeling that's going to fall the second I turn my back. Hi, Bub. What do you think? Enjoying the sunshine? Alright folks, that's it. Not much of a video. I'm not sure I'll even post this. It's yeah, just not much to it. Maybe if you had the same machine, had the same problem, it could be helpful to you. I don't know what the official fix is for this. I guess replacing those drag links, but it seems like the play in those joints has to be there for the articulation of the front axle. So I'm not sure. It seems to me like the contact with the pulley must have been a problem from, from day one. Maybe they just now are noticing it. I don't know. Don't know that much about it. Don't know how long our fix is going to last, but how long is this whole machine going to last? I can't see throwing $100 worth of steering links at it. You'll never recoup that. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.